Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Haka kat artarik mentau nailar arjar kat kendai. Layo aban pelong ya ke lempung ya kendua lang jong ki doktor Ayurvedic ya ke bala pelong da ke kenhon Himalaya Company. Ringkat ke jing trelang bat u Dr. BP Sharma ke Dr. Verity Markham bat ke Dr. Rosaline Maulong na ke Government Ayurvedic College Guwahati. Las dang ya ke ni ke jelang da ke jing thang ya ke Sarang bat ke jing Dawai bat ke jing Petko Borom ya ki basha khors ngobha. Kiwei de ki balaidan lang hakani ke jelang ki kentom yau head of department jong ke Government Ayurvedic College Guwahati Dr. BP Sharma ke Dr. Sunita Kharmauplang na Civil Hospital Nongpo u Post Manager ke Scientific Services u Dr. Dhruvo Pam Chakraborty nangta u Post Zonal Manager jong ke Himalaya Drugs Company u Ranjit Chaudhary bat kiwei hakani jelang la peninuk saru ya ki Dawai Kynbat ki babonjan ki bakham kongsan bat halor kani ke benta layo jing patairu no Dr. BP Sharma. Nakaliang ke Dr. Sunita Kharmauplang kala keren halor ke jingkongsan karu Jingsumar de ki Dawai Kynbat bat kar Jingsumar hakani ke jela Meghalaya ke bala aiman siam ru ki doktor ki badang khamret karta bandan ke jingsngup kham haba ki Sumar ki Nongpang hadin ke jelang lapan bot pat sa ke jingkop kentem halor ki Dawai Kynbat ki baper ki babonjan hakani ke jela Meghalaya bat nang tapat penbot sa kamet jong ka Jingïatai halor Kumno ban Kyntiew haka barap iki Dawai Kynbat ki babonjan hakani ke jela Meghalaya.
So Rasayan therapy is one of the 8 major branches of Ayurveda. The Rasayan branch supplies science which prevent the old age and diseases. This is the unique features of Ayurveda which can be extensively utilized for the promotion of the health in primary healthcare system throughout the world. This specialized therapy can be fully utilized by the people all over the world, men, women and children. Beauty is that this therapy can be used as a preventive aspect also and as a curative aspect also. I told already that science and technology has given us lots of things, lots of modern equipment, these things, but as per WHO, still 4.4 billion people, 80% people of the world, they rely on their plants to remove any ailments or as a preventive aspect also. Again, traditional knowledge in our country has survived due to its strength, efficacy in treatment and drug formulation, taking care of health requirement of the people. Because it is ancient one, more than 5,000 years old, but still Ayurveda is in top. Nowadays all over the world, scientists want Ayurveda. Whatever written in Ayurveda, because Ayurveda is the complete science. Here it is, how you have to apply this herbs, what type of medicine you have to consume in different diseases, and how to prevent. And what type of dress you have to wear, what type of food you have to consume, how to talk, everything is mentioned. That means in Ayurveda, if you follow the every rules and regulation, you always will be remain tension free. If you remain tension free, then your psychosomatic disorder will be subsided, or there will be no psychosomatic disorder.
I'm sure each one of you here are expertise in every way. I'm very sure. I mean, I won't even doubt, even if you have a low, confidence level of saying, I'm not sure if this medicine works. And it's okay to be like that. But the point is, I'm sure each one of you has a story to tell. So Shan was saying, with APD, blah, blah, blah. First and foremost, if you want to go back to basics and understand Ayurveda, it's all about patient care we're talking about. And if you look around you among all, I want to stress this because with my experience, if you look around now with allopath medicines and the other, I don't know about the other systems, but as far I can see, because my husband is an allopath. So, we discuss, we talk about, and he's a nice guy. So what I'm saying is, I think we are not giving that patient care to our patients. Do we have time for them? We don't. I just want you just to maybe it's going to take 10 minutes more for you to listen to that patient. But if you give that 10 minutes, 50% of the disease is gone. It's a challenge. I'm telling you, I'm challenging you right now. And there was this case she was so complicated. I don't have data like sir because I don't work in an institute. My resources are very less. I don't have much to talk about. I don't have video all the time. I don't have people to help me out. But there's this particular case, she had fatty liver, her cholesterol level was so high, she was admitted in Bethany Hospital. She was like, but she was poor. She couldn't afford. And my heart would go there for people like that who couldn't afford. What can I do for that person? And believe me, I had no medicines, as always. I only gave her Arogya Vardhini Vati. That's it. And I gave her Live 52 DS. That's it. She had all tingling senses. She was crazy and she was like, no, all I did was spend a little time, explain to her about, taking care of your health, your life change, you modulate your life. Explain to her, listen to what kind of food she eats and just explain to her diet modulation, her lifestyle. I'm telling you, after that, it took a year, no doubt. She became okay. So what I'm saying is, even when you're saying about Yasud Shekhar Ras or gold, I got that from my sir. So it's really good. And the other part is even if people they're already into much of allopath medicines, no? And they're so used to it's in the mind, they're used to the antacids all the time. The thing when sip of that is it gets miracle. So you look at the patient psychology also. You give him a Himcosid, I do that all the time. And then get back and make sure that you don't, make sure the patient come and sees you after 7 days. They feel happy and you're not going to charge, I'm sure as a private practitioner, you're not going to charge them extra buck for that. And that itself, that is called your marketing skills in there. So, I mean, these are the things which you should do. And also, like, if you look around you, it's all about public health. It's a public disorder everywhere. Ayurveda, and that's where the strongest point of Ayurveda is public health. Everybody will smile at me. Shan is smiling at me because he's into it right now. So it's all obesity, hypertension, I think we all know, and everybody, you all are smart. You all know, I don't have to tell you these things. But what I'm saying is, based on those, it's about listening to your patient and drafting. I couldn't complete my PhD, no doubt about it, but I don't feel bad about it. I didn't get a degree, but I've done on diabetes. I've seen the efficacy of our drugs, and I stick to what the Ayurveda has taught us. Your Ritu Sandhi, Ritu Sandhi is very familiar. So Dinacharya, and so on and so forth. I used to sit with my patients. It took me half an hour. I'm telling you, everybody thinks I'm a diabetes specialist right now. So any diabetes, 500, 400, you all come to me now. And I've seen results. And I'm not joking. I've taken reports. I have seen results. They're not in metformin. The only medications in allopath, we give metformin.